Welcome to Kame Trick, channel where we party with friends by shredding Grassroots trick cars. Like and subscribe. Woo! What's up, guys? It's Ben with Kame Trick, and today we're going to drift at Mac Park, and unfortunately, I'm late. So I'm blasting up the interstate in my 240, street driving it as I often do to events, and we're going to hop off of here, set the car up, and then try out our big steering angle setup at our smallest and most technical track. I cannot wait. See you there. Car feels great. It's good, guys. So Mac Park is our smallest and most technical track, and it's only 20 feet wide. It's a lot like drifting on a public back road or public street. It's super fun. This track, that is. I can't comment on the other stuff. That's old stories. I was having so much fun, I forgot to record an outro. If this video was awesome, hit the thumbs up button. If it could be better, let me know how in the comments, and if you're new, subscribe. My next video is going to be on repairing a fiberglass front bumper that was totally destroyed drifting. It's this bumper's last hurrah before I go over to my KBD polyurethane kit, but I wanted to have a front bumper on the car for No Coast Drift Party 8. If you want to see some footage from that event, check out the card up top, and I will link to it. Your next chance to party with our crew is October 20th at Oklahoma Motorsports Complex, and I hope to see you guys there. Have a good night. Peace.